How to send message with jitter effect on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new message icon. Then, tap on the message box at the bottom. Type in any message over here. After that, tap on the font icon as shown. You can view and try out all the options below to change the format of the text. From the options, select Jitter. As you can see, your text now has a jittery effect to it. This way, you get more control over your experience with the Messages app. Following these steps, you can easily send message with jitter effect on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.